Sleek and stylish. The Acer EB321HQU Cbidpx 31.5 LCD with LED-backlit display combines stylish functionality with amazing 2560 by 1440 resolution, allowing you to enjoy high-definition entertainment in the comfort of your home. Incredible 100 million to 1 contrast ratio and rapid 4 milliseconds response time highlight the advanced technology. The EB321HQU Cbidpx LCD also features display, HDMI DVI ports for greater compatibility, a Kensington lock slot to protect your investment. 31.5 WQHD, 2560 by 1440, widescreen display. Panel type: IPS. Response time: 4 milliseconds, G to G. Refresh rate: 60 Hz. Acer VisionCare Technologies. Ports: 1x DisplayPort 1.2, 1x HDMI 1.41x DVI, with HDCP, HDMI cable included. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent for work. I use this to work from home a couple of days a week. It's huge. Plenty of resolution for basic needs. I wouldn't use it for precise photo editing necessarily, but even if I did, I think it would be okay. Great for other productivity or utilitarian purposes. Plenty of sacred space to keep 4 or 5 windows or programs open at once.